Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I'm so happy to see you all here back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I made these resin pendants with real pressed flowers. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the first thing to do is I am mixing black pigment into resin, and this is going to be my base background. And after that is done, I am pouring like about 1/3 into the molds and let them cure. So here is a little history behind this video. Since I started resin, I have always been attracted to jewelry, and especially this kind that involves pressed flower arrangements. And of course, I have tried to make jewelry previously. And hello, and this is me, and here are my glasses that I couldn't do this project without. So yes, this is me. So the black background I have cured, and now I am applying a little bit of resin and it's gonna serve as a glue, and I will place my flowers on top of it and let them cure again. So back to my little story about making jewelry. I would say for me personally it's not easy as it looks, and yes, after a while everything gets sticky and you need to be able to see very well, and of course you need to have all the ingredients. In this case, all the flowers, and I have been collecting all these flowers for a while now, and yes, finally I have them all, and I was ready to actually try and create these pendants that I've been dreaming about for a very long time, and without a failure, because it's not that easy to make jewelry as one would think. You see, everything is already sticking and they don't stay, the flowers don't stay where you place them, and also, creating these pendants, it takes lots of steps. So if you don't mess in this step, there are 2 or 3 steps that you will still mess up. And here is the second part. It's really sped up and I think it's really fun to watch. And you can see my head with my glasses. Without these glasses, I would be lost or my eyes would be broken. And to arrange these 9 pendants, it took me an hour and a half. But the time was going by very quickly. I enjoyed it, and yeah. So that step is done. I let it cure again, and now it's time to add the next layer. And I'm super excited because I'm using this resin. It is called Jewellery and it comes from Russia, and it is great for making resin jewelry. It does take to cure 3 days. I know it is a long time, but I will say regarding bubbles, it is excellent period and it does release all the bubbles in these 3 days. And the finish is flawless. I really, really, really love this resin. And yes, 3 days has passed and now it's time to take out my pendants. And as you can see, these molds are actually made by me and they are not perfect, let's say that way. And you can see there are some imperfections on the top. And I should have spent some more time of cleaning up this top part. I should have sanded better. I should have removed these sharp bits better. But because I wanted to get on with this project, I didn't do it very well and I went to the next part, which is the final layer, and it is called the doming. And once again, I premixed this Russian resin, Jewellery, and I usually mix it in the morning and leave it to rest until about 2 o'clock, because as I said, it cures in 3 days. So in this period of time, all the bubbles rise and goes away, and you are left with water-like resin, and it's absolutely fantastic. So here I am doming, and once again, you can have a good day and you can have a bad day, and I had a mediocre day because I had some drips in the end and the finish isn't perfect, but overall I am very proud of myself, and this has been a great learning curve again. And hopefully, if I attempt make them next time, they're gonna come out perfect. Probably not, but one could always hope. And after that, I finish them by putting the chain, and here they are, all ready. And I do love them a lot. These are the best looking pendants I have ever made, and I'm very proud of myself. So, if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!